Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. In fact, the last back in stock video of 2025. So we're taking a look around the shelves to see what items are still back in stock for your classic Norton motorcycles. So let's take a look and see what we found. Okay, first up is part number 13, 21, 26. That's the fixing kit for hinge seat Commandos on the 850 Mark III, and that is £51 and 54 pence including VAT. Next is part number 13, 21, 27, the seat lock and latch kit for the Commando 850 Mark III, and that is £100 and 74 pence including VAT. We've got the rear wheel cush drive buffer set, that's 6 pieces, and it's for the Commando 750 and the 850 between 1970 and 1974. That's part number 13, 21, 28, and it's £19 and 74 pence including VAT. Part number 13, 21, 29, the front wheel bearing set with 2 pieces for the 88, 99, 650 SS Atlas Mercury Commando for the 750 and the 850 as well. That is £41 and 70 pence including VAT. And finally this week, the rear wheel bearing set is in 3 pieces for the Commando 750 and 850 between 1970 and 1974. That's part number 13, 21, 30, and that is £47 and 70 pence including VAT. And as always, if there's any items I've not mentioned this week, but you'd like to know if the item's back in stock, you can set yourself a back in stock email reminder through the Andover Norton website. And if you're not sure how to do that, click on the link in the section below, and it takes you through the whole process of how to set up your email reminder. Or you can get in touch with the guys on the technical email address as well, which is also linked in the section below on the Andover Norton website. Right, until next year, thanks ever so much for watching for the last year. Have a fantastic Christmas, a great new year, and we'll see you in 2026.